we are going through graphical solutions of linear inequalities in two variables. In our last classes, we have learned how to solve the linear inequalities in one variable algebraically, right? So here we will find the solutions by graphical method. Solutions means we will find the region where solutions are lying. Okay, so that region is called feasible region by putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in given inequality, given equations. Okay, so here let us go to example. First example, 3x plus 2y greater than 6. Okay, it is the given inequality. Okay, here we have to find the solution. Solution means we have to find the feasible region where the solutions are lying in graph. Okay, so for that, first of all, we have to put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in equation. Okay, first of all, let us put x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, what is the value of y? Substitute, okay, equal to 0 in this equation. Okay, 3x plus 2y equal to 6. So substitute x is equal to 0. 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. That implies y is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Okay, so according to this, our y value is 3. Okay, when x is equal to 0, y value is 3. Next, put y is equal to 0. It is the step to find the feasible region. Okay, so put y is equal to 0 in 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So here substitute y is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 6. This implies x is equal to 2. Okay, now let us come to here graph. See, first of all, when x is equal to 0, here x is equal to 0, y value is 3. So it is here. Okay, its intersection point is here. Okay, when x is equal to 0, y value is 3. Next, mark it here. Okay, next, when y is equal to 0, x value is 2. So its intersection point is here. Okay, then now let us join through these points. Okay, see here, we have got this graph, and now look at this inequality. Okay, see our inequality is 3x plus 2y greater than 6. Okay, so it is the graph of 3x plus 2y is equal to 6, isn't it? It is greater than 6. So our solution will be here. Okay, our solution will be here. It is the feasible region. If 3x plus 2y less than 6, our feasible region will be down. Okay, now it is greater than 6, therefore our feasible region from here. Okay, outside of this graph, this line. Okay, so it is the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now our inequality is, given inequality is 3x plus 2y greater than 6. Therefore our feasible region is this one. Okay, because that means its solutions are lying here in this region. Next, given inequality, 8x plus 3y less than or equal to 100, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Our question is find the feasible region by graphical method. Okay, in graph. So here, first method is putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 0 in this equation, 8x plus 3y is equal to 100. Okay, so substitute x is equal to 0, then find y value. Okay, so 0 plus 3y is equal to 100, y is equal to 100 divided by 3, that is nothing but 3 3s are 9. Okay, 33 0.3, right? 3 3s are 9, okay, 1 remained, again 3 3s are 9, 1 remained, okay. So here next put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0 in this equation. So what we will get? 8x plus 0 is equal to 100. X is equal to 100 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 4 remained. So 40. So 5. 8 fives are 40. Okay. So here see we have got x is equal to, when x is equal to 0, y is 33.3. When y is equal to 0, x is 12.5. So here I have taken in the graph, the scale is 10. Okay, because see if I take 1, 2, 3, so we will have to draw the larger graph, right? So here according to these points you can take the scale. Okay, because see if I take 10, 20, see I can plot the points very easily, right? See here, first look at the graph. X is equal to 0, y is 33.3, means see somewhere here. Okay, so plot the point. Next, when y is equal to 0, sorry, y value, okay, when x is equal to 0, y value is 33.3, somewhere here. Okay, so next when y is equal to 0, x value is 12.5, so it is somewhere here. Okay, now let us draw the line through these points. Through these points, see I have drawn a line. So now look at the inequality. 8x plus 3y less than or equal to 100, and see two more inequalities are given. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 means x is positive, y is also positive. So our solutions are in first quadrant. Okay, here x is positive and y is positive here. Y is positive here, x is also positive here. Okay, so in this region feasible region. Okay, so here our inequality is 8x plus 3y less than or equal to 100. See, this graph is nothing but 8x plus 3y is equal to 100. Okay, so it is less than or equal to. So our feasible region is in this region. Okay, that is our solutions are lying in this region. Why? Because one is this inequality, that is 8x plus 3y less than or equal to 100. It is the line is nothing but 8x plus 3y is equal to 100, isn't it? So it is less than 100 means it is coming down. Okay, down of 100. And next, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. X greater than 0 means it is in first quadrant here. Okay, y greater than or equal to 0 means it is here. So it is lying in first quadrant. Okay, so its intersection will be here. Okay, so it is the feasible region of given inequalities. Next inequality, x minus y less than or equal to 2. So here question is find the feasible region. Okay, so our first step is putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So first of all, put x is equal to 0 in x minus y is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 0, you will get minus y is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2. Next, put y is equal to 0, that implies substitute y is equal to 0 in this equation, you will get x is equal to 2. Okay, see here when x is equal to 0, y is equal to, we have got y is equal to minus 2. See, if you are not convenient with minus values, you can just put some other values in this equation. Okay, see if you put x is equal to 3, you will get y is equal to 1. Okay, so you can put some other values according to the positive values. Okay, so here I have put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2. Put y is equal to 0, here x is equal to 2. So according to these values I have drawn the graph. Okay, so here when x is equal to 0, look at the graph. x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. So it is the intersection point. Okay, so plot this point. And here when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Plot this point. Okay, when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. And here draw this line through these points. So it is the graph of equation x minus y is equal to 2. And see, look at our inequality, x minus y less than or equal to 2. See, now here we are confused. Okay, where less than, where greater than. See here, first of all, look at the origin. Now let us substitute 0 values. Okay, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. That is nothing but origin of the graph, right? So here put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. What is the inequality? 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 2. That implies 0 less than or equal to 2. So it is true, right? 0 less than 2. Okay. Therefore, our feasible region will be towards origin. Okay. Towards origin. Feasible region towards origin. So we can show the feasible region in this towards origin. Okay. So here is the feasible region. Next question. Find the feasible region of the given inequalities 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Okay, our first method is putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Let us put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in first inequality, then second. Put x is equal to 0. So here if we put x is equal to 0 in equation, so we will get y is equal to 6, right? When y is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to 2x is equal to 6, okay? 2x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 3, isn't it? Then next here put x is equal to 0. Here the equation, I will write the equation, okay? First equation 2x plus y is equal to 0. So here put x is equal to 0, that implies y is equal to 6, right? When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2x is equal to 6, that is x is equal to 6 by 2, x is equal to 6 by 2, that is x is equal to 3, right? Next, put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in this equation. I will write the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay, so here put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to, okay, this will be 0. 4y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 12 divided by 4. So y is equal to 3. Okay, then next is put y is equal to 0. What is the value of x? Put y is equal to 0. So this will become 0. 3x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 by 3, 4. Okay. Now let us go to graph. Here. See, when first one, this one, okay. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to 6. Okay. It is the point. So plot this point. Next, when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So it is the point, right? When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So next draw this graph through this point, okay? Okay. Next let us draw this one, okay? Second inequality, that is second equality 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Okay. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. Now join this line through these points. Okay. See. Now we have got this graph. That is, one line is 2x plus y is equal to 6 Another line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay. Next, look at the inequality. Okay. What are the inequalities are given? 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Here, this one, 2x plus y is equal to 6, right? So, this line is nothing but 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay. Here, it is given that 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. See, it is the line 2x plus y. Okay. It is greater than or equal to 6 means here, right? Towards out. Okay. From out of this line. Okay. And next is here 3x plus 4y is equal to 2. So here inequality 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 2. So it is the line less than or equal to 2 means towards origin, right? So here, right? So it is the intersection point, right? Intersection region, okay? So it is the intersection region of this line and this line, isn't it? Because it is greater than or equal to 6, okay? Out of line, it is the line 2x plus y is equal to 6 is this line, okay? And 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 is this line. And here 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. So it is the out of line, okay? The region out of line. And this line is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So less than, so it is towards origin, okay? So it is the intersecting region. So it is the feasible region where the solutions are lying, okay? So it is the feasible region of given inequality.